Are you struggling to grow your natural hair? Do you feel overwhelmed by complicated hair routines and expensive products? Well, in this video, I'll be sharing my ultimate detailed lazy girl's guide to growing a healthy, long natural hair, as well as tips and tricks. So without further ado, let's begin. To start off, here are some of the lazy girl's hair care principles you should keep in mind. One is to minimize manipulation, keep it simple, use multi-purpose products, protect your hair from damage, and be gentle. Step 1 is to choose your product. It's best to stick with the basic product that caters to the needs of your hair. Don't forget that product matters. Not only is styling easier with the right product, but they should help increase your overall hair health. When choosing your hair products, you should keep in mind your hair needs and goals. For instance, if you want to eliminate dandruff, itchy scalp, you should look out for anti-dandruff products. For shampoo, you want to make sure it's a sulfate-free shampoo that hydrates, cleanses, and detangles. You don't want your hair drying out after every wash. There are so many amazing options out there. The one I'm currently using is from Cream of Nature, and this is their argan oil sulfate-free moisture and shine shampoo. This hydrates and also aids detangle. For conditioner, hydrating and moisturizing conditioner are great for adding hydration, moisture, shine, softness, and smoothness to the hair, making it easy to detangle and reduces frizz. Again, there are amazing options out there. I am currently using this conditioner from As I Am, and this is from their rice water collection. This conditioner provides a lot of sleep. It helps to moisturize, strengthen the hair, and also helps to ease detangling process. Leave-in conditioner. A good leave-in conditioner should provide long-lasting moisture to the hair along with other benefits such as hydration without weighing down the hair, controls frizz, minimize breakage, helps repair damaged, and strengthens the hair. This Mega Growth leave-in conditioner has been my all-time favorite for a long time. I've used others that are pretty good, but I still come back to this. And this provides long-lasting moisture, strengthens, restores, and repair my hair strands. There are tons of amazing leave-in conditioners options you can choose from. Hair oils. Hair oil is a staple in our hair care routine. Hair oils have tons of benefits that help promote good hair and scalp health. What's great about hair oils is how incredibly easy they are to use. You can use them on wet, dry, or damp hair. There are so many amazing hair oils to choose from argan oil, jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, and the rest. You can use them individually or make your own hair growth oils by mixing and matching different formulas based on your hair needs. Or you can get a good drugstore hair oil that suits your hair needs. Hair tools. When it comes to styling tools, keep it simple. Wide tooth comb are essential for kinky, curly hair to help detangle hair without excessive pulling or tugging and prevent breakage in the long run. Detangle brush. A detangling brush can be a lifesaver as well if you have curly or kinky hair. Step 2 is to simplify your routine. Shampoo every 2 weeks. Shampoo your hair in section. This makes it less likely to get tangles and helps cut down the tangle time. It also makes it more manageable to actually reach the scalp. Both the scalp and your hair will feel cleaner. Divide your hair prior to washing it and only handle each part and section at a time. After shampooing, next is to follow up with a good conditioner. After conditioning, next is to follow up with the detangle process. I make sure to detangle with the conditioner in my hair. I do this in 4 sections. Finger detangle first, then finish up with a wide tooth comb or a detangle brush. Detangling is a process you shouldn't skip. It helps to keep breakage at bay. The more tangled your hair is, the harder it is to comb through it without breaking pieces off. It also helps hair to stay hydrated. When applying product to tangled hair, there is a chance that your moisturizers won't be evenly distributed if your hair isn't smoothed out. After detangling, you go ahead and rinse that out and then move on to the next thing. Next is to moisturize. Pro tip is to moisturize while your hair is still damp. I apply my leave-in and oil to lock in moisture, and I preferably do this in the shower. Okay, if your hair is still kind of dripping, you can just make use of your microfiber towel to help catch any excess water and then go ahead to moisturize. Protective styles. I go for easy protective styles that are less tension, easy to achieve, requires low maintenance during the week, and can also allow for wigs. I do this when I just want to tuck my hair away and let it rest. This jumbo cornrows is one of my go-to protective styles, and another thing to remember is to avoid leaving your hair in a fro all the time because it's more susceptible to tangles, knots, and frizz. To reduce manipulation to a minimum and promote hair growth, go for protective styles that last up to 3 to 4 weeks, like braids and twists. For weekly care, you don't have to do much. Apply your leave-in conditioner and your oils to your protective styles. You can do this 1 to 3 times a week to keep your hair from drying out. For easy moisturizing process, use a conditioning mist to moisturize and refresh your hair. Or you can simply make yours at home by adding your leave-in conditioner, your oils to a spray bottle and water. Shake that up and use that to moisturize your hair. Don't forget to sleep with your satin bonnet or pillowcases on. Another thing I'm also going to add is to invest in wigs. As much as I love styling and rocking my natural hair, after weeks of styling and manipulation, I like to tuck it away and let it rest for a while. Wigs always serve as a protective style and a great way to grow your natural hair, switch up your looks, and save you from bad hair days. Not only will wigs give your coils a break, but they also cut down over manipulation and precious styling time. Wearing a wig is also an excellent way to protect your natural hair from daily damages such as heat and other harsh weather conditions. Provide your hair with the freedom to remove them whenever you feel, and also continue practicing your natural hair regime without missing a beat. I like investing in wigs that mimics my natural hair texture and complements my hair type, like this afro kinky coily or kinky straight wigs. It can be V-part, half wigs, or sometimes full wigs. And I get compliments a lot wearing these types of wig compared to other hair texture, and people can barely tell it's a wig. And for the final step, which is monthly care. Depending on your hair needs, you can use hair masks once a month. It can be protein or a deep conditioning treatment, also hot oil treatment. Trim every 8 weeks to help eliminate split ends. So guys, that is all I have for today. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up, leave your comments, subscribe if you haven't done that already, and I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.